Hi everyone, down in the corner of your screen again this week. Welcome to week 13 of English 101. I do miss seeing all of your faces, but it was great to talk to a few of you via Zoom last week. I'm going to have you guys complete that Zoom survey on some meeting times so that we can get some times that might work for a larger number of people, because I think it's really important to stay together and to sort of encourage that classroom community while we are working remotely. So I'm going to go over just some quick information about SA4 in your draft this week, and then I will be on my way. So give me a day or two to finish going over your proposals. And once I get those back to you, you'll be able to start on your draft. So in the meantime, go ahead and do your reading quiz number 3. There's a discussion board this week talking about style with emails, and then your SA3 or your SA4 proposal, your first draft is going to be due on Sunday. So actually all of these assignments will be due by Sunday. You'll have from Monday to Sunday to complete the assignments at your own pace, but I do ask that you complete them in this order. All right, so just a note about the attendance quiz. The readings are going to cover style and visual rhetoric. There's also a Zoom survey. Oh, I'm sorry, this should say reading quiz, not attendance quiz. Anyway, so there will also be a link that says Zoom survey, and let me know the times and days you're available. This will actually help me to plan conferences as well. So let's talk about your SA4 draft for a minute. If you look over the assignment sheet, it needs to be 2 to 3 pages. It needs to include a picture, which is actually a question on your reading quiz. And then you want to remember your audience, that person you're writing to, the purpose of your proposal, and your style. Okay. Use your outline to guide you, but make sure that you're filling in the gaps. All right. You can't just copy from your outline into your draft and expect it to work as a paragraph because it's a list, right? So make sure that you're transitioning between your ideas, that you have full, complete topic sentences, all of that. And then I'm going to go over just a little bit in formatting. So this is an example about how to format a letter. All right, if you've never written one or if it's been a while, a couple things. You'll want your address and the recipient address at the top. If you're not familiar or comfortable, with your own address, then make one up. If you're writing to the governor of Illinois, Google his address. All right, so find that information. Make sure you've got a greeting. Your actual proposal is in paragraph form, and then you've got a closing and a signature at the end. So this is basically how your letter should look. Okay, so if you're looking for a template, Microsoft Word actually does have templates available. So if you go to open a new document and then search templates, just type in letter. I would recommend choosing one of their kind of basic professional looking letters. I don't really like the fancy ones because I want you to focus really on your words, all right? But you can use a template if you need. Last thing, don't forget about taking that Zoom survey. The link is on Blackboard so that hopefully we can get a group of you guys together from each course that we can just sort of keep everyone on task and make sure we're encouraging that class community that I'm sure you guys are missing just as much as I am. So I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you online.